Assam Students Union regarding implementation of Clause 6 of Assam Accord. Government of India has constituted a committee under the chairmanship of retired Justice Biplab Sharma. Committee has submitted report in 2020. Today we have analyzed what are the recommendations which can be exclusively implemented by the state government. And we have decided to go ahead with the implementation of those subjects which are completely under the state government. However, we have made it sure that we have made it clear that those recommendations will not be implemented in Barak Valley as well as in the 6th schedule area of Constitution of India without their explicit consent. There are certain recommendations which require constitutional amendment as well as it falls exclusively under the jurisdiction of central government. State government will take up with the central government regarding implementation with those recommendations, and will also request central government to speak with ASU regarding implementation of those provisions.